Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Gaahleri Mobius 02. I bought this airbrush in December when they had their specials. Based on the hype on the internet, I thought let me get one and see what it's all about. In the box is the usual paraphernalia, which we've all seen 100 times before. Little instruction manual. Some spare O-rings and seals for the nozzle. Some Gaahleri grease. A small cup on the 02, but this is interchangeable. Or you can use the airbrush without the cup if you're just doing small touch-ups. Nice fitting lid. And the airbrush itself. So yeah, let's strip it down and see what it's all about. So there you can see all the parts. Here's the end cap. Excuse the paint that's already there and the paint on my fingers. I have been using this brush because without using it I can't really give you a review. Here's the nozzle cap. Here is the spiral shaped Mac nozzle that Gaahleri has designed. It promises to atomize the paint nicely, and in testing I found that to be so. This is the needle chuck, and it looks pretty solid. It's just all grease on there. Spring tensioner, very nice smooth threads, nicely anodized in gold. Nice threads with a nice O-ring to seal. This is the needle limiter, and it screws in very softly. It's very nicely put together. Excuse the scratches on the chrome work, I have been using this. Nice threads again cut inside there. This is the trigger with this ramp that's at the back for some nice grip, so you have different possibilities of holding this airbrush and using it. And here's the cup, nicely polished inside. And to be quite honest, this was supposed to make the cleaning easier, but in practice I didn't really find that to be the case. Here's the body, nicely finished. The Mac valve is very smooth, and as I say, you can just put a few drops of paint in there, about 10 drops, and then you can just do some touch-ups. And there you see the air valve and the adjuster for the needle, the tension adjuster. And you can adjust this while in place. Here's the needle, nicely polished. And it's basically what you would expect from a brush of this caliber. So nothing to do, just get it and use it. And what I really enjoy about this Gaahleri is the threads, the way they cut. When you unscrew this back end, it just spins off. Very nice. I really enjoyed that. And the unique design of the end cap is quite unique. And I must say, this is absolutely the most ludicrous trigger I have ever felt. It is just ridiculously smooth, and you can adjust the tension of the spring, of the trigger spring from the outside, so that's very handy. And of course it's got the needle limiter, and it's very smooth in operation, no grittiness, it's just like butter. As I say, the Mac valve is very smooth, and this trigger is just absolutely ludicrous. It is so smooth. I don't think I've felt an airbrush that is as smooth as this. So well done Gaahleri on this Mobius edition. Very nice. By the way, this is an 11.5 millimeter diameter body. So that's just in between an 11 and a 12, which is the standard sizes. So this trigger offers you various ways of using it. And of course we have to do some lines, dots and stuff. But the atomization on this brush is just absolutely phenomenal. It is super smooth, and I'm just using regular acrylic paints here from a tube, no inks or anything like that. And as you can see, it's just flawless. This brush is just epic. So it's all good and well painting dots and lines, but I find that in use is where you really feel what an airbrush is like. And here I'm using it to glaze over the eyes of this tiger painting that I uploaded a tutorial to just the other day. And I used this brush quite a bit. I used some other brushes as well. I used the 03 as well, but we're speaking of the 02 here. And some other YouTubers have noted that the 03 was better than the 02, but that might have been their experience, but in my experience that was not the case. This 02 is absolutely phenomenal. It is probably one of the best brushes I've used. So yeah, well done Gaahleri on a superb product. And as I say, I did buy this brush with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. Guys, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Please like this and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And this was the review of the Gaahleri Mobius 2. Thank you.